Okay, let's start with this paper. This is the Feb March paper of Biology 0610, and this is paper 1. Okay, this is not paper 2. Paper 2 we have already done. Okay, if you want the solved version, I guess I have already sent you the solved version of paper 2. Okay, the first one is Venus flytrap. The way, okay, you need to find the keywords first of all. In finding the answer, you need to underline the keywords. It's written, it's a Venus flytrap, it's react to fly, and it produces some juices to digest something, means some enzymes would be there. Okay, which characteristics are shown? This one is open and this one is closed. Now, which, sorry, yeah, sensitivity and nutrition, because it's obtaining food. How many parts of the scientific name makes up the scientific name? It is made up of two: the species name and genus and species. The genus name with the capital letter and species name with the small letter. Okay. And okay, a student finds the vertebrate that has the features listed. Which of the features means that this must be a bird? Okay, whenever you there is a word must, it means that characteristic should be present. There can be possibilities of the other, but this one must be present. Okay, if we look at claws are present in other species as well. Eggs, eggs are also laid by other species as well. While this one is the specific characteristic of a bird, so this two only is the answer. Okay. Next one is a plant cell is given. Which part is the nucleus? C. What is A? Cell membrane. You can say your answer. I'm not looking at the options. What is B? Chat. Chloroplast. What is D? Cytoplasm. Correct. Okay. A diagram is given and its magnification is given. While you have to calculate the actual size. What is the formula for actual size? First thing. Actual size is equal to image size over magnification. Okay, what is image size according to this? This one is 4.5 centimeter. While you need to convert it into millimeter. How to convert it into millimeter? Just wait. It would be 30, oh sorry, 45 divided by 1500. So it would be 1 over 300. So 0.03. 4.5 multiplied by 10. Okay. Next one. I couldn't hear you. Your voice is really low. Okay. Next one. Identical pieces of potato were placed in two test tubes. This test tube it contains distilled water. Okay. While this one contains concentrated solution. What would be the expected change in this mass of, sorry, the mass of potato in distilled water would increase, while in concentrated solution it would decrease. C. Next one. Cyanide is a chemical that prevent the release of energy in flowering plants. Which process will slow down if cyanide is added? It's related to release of energy. So active transport. Which simple molecule makes up the protein? Amino acids. Okay, there's few questions in the other paper as well. We will discuss that in the next one. It's related to lipase. Exactly. I couldn't hear you. Great. Okay, what are the description of lipase? What is lipase? Lipase is a catalyst. It's an enzyme as well. Okay, it's not a fat. Next one. Okay, what about what statement about enzyme is correct? So all enzymes have an active site with a shape complementary to the substrate. Correct. Which two substances are the product of photosynthesis? Okay. For what is the balanced chemical equation for photosynthesis? 6. Okay. Okay. Which graph shows the effect of temperature on the rate of photosynthesis? What? Temperature. Temperature which would denature the enzyme, so activity would ultimately decrease. This A is the graph for light and carbon dioxide. Okay? Not for temperature. Okay? Next one. A human digestive system is given. Okay? You have to look at the labeling and then find the answer. Um, which statement is correct for this diagram? J is the pancreas. Is J pancreas? No. So this is incorrect. K is the pancreas. Yes. It doesn't produce amylase. Yes. L is a large intestine. Yes, but it doesn't produce any of the enzyme. M is not answer. So B is the answer. Next one. Okay. A diagram shows a cross section of a tooth. Which part is dentine? Wait, no. This upper part is called as crown and this part is known as root. Okay. Exactly. First of all, enamel. So this A is enamel. Then B, where is D? Okay. D is enamel. A is dentine. C is pulp. And D is cementum. Okay. Okay, the diagram is shown and they have shown you the absorption of liquid in different parts. Now they have given you some values. You have to look at the values and tell which change is more like according to this diagram. Wait. Number one, more water is absorbed in the column. How much water is absorbed in the column? 1200 to 750. Is it 850? Wait, not 850. It would be 1050. 1050, right? And here it would be 7800, right? So more water is absorbed in small intestine as compared to the large intestine. So our answer would be B. Next one, a celery stalk is there and it is placed in a red stain. After some time, the red stain appear. Which part do you think is stained red? Xylem. Okay, this question is quite technical. A complete heartbeat occur with all four muscular walls of the heart complete this contraction. In a baby, it take 4.4 seconds for one complete cycle. How many times does the baby's heart beat in 1 minute? No, it would be divided. Yes, because exactly it is 0.4 second, not 4 second. Okay, so it would be 150 if you divide it. Which blood vessel carries blood to the right atrium? vena cava. D, this takes blood away from heart. And pulmonary vein, it brings blood to the left atrium. Hmm. A patient has a blood test and platelet count is lower than the usual. What would be effect on platelet? What is the function of platelet? Blood clotting. So blood clotting would be low. Which disease is a transmissible disease? HI. This one is related to, these are related to the nutritional deficiencies that can be transferred from one person to another one. So ricket is the deficiency of vitamin D. Scurvy is the deficiency of vitamin C. So these are the nutritional ones. Let's move to the next one. Okay. The oh wait, did I? Okay. Okay. Carbon dioxide move from the blood into the alveoli. What movement is this? Diffusion. Gases always diffuse. Okay. Next one, an apparatus is there. It has yeast, sugar, and water. So what would be produced? Yeast, sugar, and water. Carbon dioxide and alcohol. So what is this indicator if it turns cloudy? Lime water. A small mammal, okay, a small mammal was kept in a sealed container. Okay. What would be changes to the composition of air inside the sealed container? Carbon dioxide increases and oxygen would decrease. Okay. What, let's talk about air changes. And normally the air contains 21% oxygen while carbon dioxide is 0.04%. Okay. So when a mammal is present, it's consumed some of it. Okay. So the exhaled air, it contains 16% of oxygen. Hmm. Hmm. Yes. Hmm. No, they just ask you like a overall change that happens to the air. Yes. Okay. Am I missing something now? Carbon dioxide increased and oxygen decreased. Sorry, I didn't mark the answer. Okay, the diagram shows the stages in a pupil reflex. So what is like what would be the order or how would they move? First of all, light receptor cell is after that sensory, then relay, then the iris. Yes, iris because iris and pupil. So basically, pupil size is changing. That's why iris. Okay, there is a diagram of a young plant and it is kept in a dark. I've told you already when you keep something in some plant in the dark, you have to talk about the gravitropism only, not about phototropism. Okay? Okay. So, what would be your answer? What would be response of shoot or root? A. Both would show gravitropism as light is absent, the phototropism wouldn't be. Yes. In which situation would insulin secretion usually increase? Wait. After eating a meal, finally somebody is present mentally, physically. Okay. Which statement about adrenaline is correct? It increases the breathing rate. It increases the heart rate, increases the diameter of the pupil. It increases the breathing rate. What is the definition that applies to all type of drugs? How would you define drugs? A substance that is taken into the body that affect the chemical reaction in the body. Okay, it's a spiral plant and growing from something something. I'm not telling the answer. So which statement is correct? What type of reproduction is this? Only one parent is required, as this is an example of asexual reproduction. So B is the answer. Okay. An insect is there and okay. So whose step is taking place? Pollination. Okay. Now what is the order of the structure sperm usually travel to the fertilized uh, an excel? This was the question in O levels. Okay. It would be no, it would be the reverse order, like oviduct, uterus, and cervix. So it would be cervix, uterus, and then oviduct. Okay. Otherwise, the order is, if you talk about like egg, then it would be like oviduct, and then it moved to uterus for implantation. If the fertilization occur, fetus, and then the baby is born through cervix, moving through the cervix. So you have to give the reverse order. The species of flower can have white or red petals. Now, this question is bit. White flowers must have two alleles for white petals. Okay, that one is recessive. Good. This one is recessive, while red only lead one allele. So this one is dominant. Okay. So what is the genotype of white flower? You have already told. Homozygous, recessive. Leave it over there. We are not going to waste our energy on one. No, 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 no. Which statement applies to the shape of pea seed? Okay, whenever we talk about the pea color, the seed color, pea seed shape, so this one is an example of discontinuous variation. In pea plant it is discontinuous variation. Keep this thing in your mind. Okay, so this continuous variation, this option is incorrect. This is incorrect. What about this? This continuous variation is caused by genes only, while the continuous variation is caused by environment and gene both. What is the principal source of energy? Sun. Okay, a food chain is given. What is the meaning of this arrows that we use to represent energy flow? Good. Okay. Which phase is missing in this population sigmoid curve? Sorry, I thought you would be like you can tell answer without looking at the options. The very first one is lag phase. Log is there, stationary is there, death phase is here. So lag is missing. The very first one. Yes. Next one. What is an example of how human cause methane population? Placing waste material in landfill site. Pollution. It's about pollution. Okay. Okay. What are the ways of conserving endangered species? Yes, both. We need education and seed banks. Yes. Okay. Which statement correctly explain why bacteria are used in biotechnology? They produce. They can produce complex. Yes. Okay. What is an example of genetic modification? D. Yes. Okay. This is the whole paper I am sending you the solver.